Hello everybody, today we are going to see about the unboxing video of Snibe product name MAGLUMI Anti-Scl-70 IgG CLIA chemiluminescence immunoassay method. Over here we can see the contents of this kit: 1 bottle of lyophilized magnetic microbeads, 2.8 ml magnetic microbeads buffer, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 10 ml buffer, 12.5 ml AB label, 15 ml dilute, 1 ml control 1, 1 ml control 2. The reference number of this kit is 130617505M. Note: please reconstitute the lyophilized magnetic microbeads. Over here we can see the lot number and expiry date also. This is a C certificate IVD product. One instruction manual inside this kit. We can store away from direct sunlight. We should maintain 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. We can do 50 tests using this reagent kit. Over here we can see the manufacturing address of this kit. This kit is manufactured from China, so the origin of the kit is China. This is the overall front view of this product. Over this side we can see the brand name Snibe, and back side we can see the brand name Snibe. On this side we can see the product name MAGLUMI Anti-Scl-70 IgG. Reference number 130617505M. Then lot number, then expiry date. This is the overall view of this product. I am going to unpack this for your reference. We can unpack this in this side. So after reopening we can see there is a controls of this kit. We can see the controls. I am going to take this out. After we can take the controls, we can see the reagent and instruction manual is there. I am going to take this one by one. After opening the reagent kit, we can see the first one is Snibe MAGLUMI Anti-Scl-70 IgG CLIA. The reference number of this kit is 130617505M. 50 tests per kit. Here we can see the indent use. The kit is an in vitro chemiluminescence immunoassay of the quantitative determination of IgG antibodies of SCL70 in human serum and plasma using MAGLUMI series. Here we can see summary, test principle, reagents kit components, warnings and precautions, reagent handling, storage and stability. These are the instructions there. I'm going to keep this aside. And the next one is a QC certificate provided by Snibe. And next one is a MAGLUMI reagent seal, total 3 noses. And the next one is Anti-Scl-70 IgG control 1, 4 noses, and Anti-Scl-70 IgG control 2, 4 noses. Total of 8 control stickers. And the next one is controls and lyophilized. So this is a packed in a cover. I am going to unpack this for your reference. After open the cover, we can see the controls and lyophilized magnetic microbeads, 1 bottle. So I am going to take this one by one. Before we can start from control 1. Over here we can see the MAGLUMI volume of 1 ml Anti-Scl-70 IgG control 1 CLIA. I am going to keep this aside. And the next one is MAGLUMI volume of 1 ml Anti-Scl-70 IgG control 2 CLIA. This is also volume of 1 ml. And the next one is Anti-Scl-70 IgG lyophilized magnetic microbeads. Here we can see MAGLUMI, a 1 bottle. So these are the packed in the cover. And the final one is a reagent solution or reagent kit. So this reagent kit contains 2.8 ml magnetic microbeads buffer, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 10 ml buffer, 12.5 ml AB label, 15 ml dilute. This is the overall view of this kit. The back side. On the top, it also packed and sealed. So here we go for summary. Today we can see about the Snibe MAGLUMI Anti-Scl-70 IgG CLIA. This kit contains one instruction manual, a QC certificate provided by Snibe Diagnostic, a reagent seal of 3 nurses, a control stickers for control 1 4 nurses and control 2 4 nurses. Here we can see the control 1 volume of 1 ml and control 2 volume of 1 ml and one bottle of lyophilized magnetic microbeads. Here we can see the reagent kit, 2.8 ml magnetic microbeads buffer, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 10 ml buffer, 12.5 ml AB label, 15 ml diluter. This is the overall view of this kit. Thank you.